Smart Gateway is a gateway specifically designed for the connection of smart electric devices. It is used together with smart electric devices to collect and read the data of a number of parameters. The Sassin Smart app perfectly connects the phone to the smart gateway. After adding device and connecting network, we can click Gateways on the home page to enter. Then you can see Gateways list. In Gateways list, a few device names, as well as signal type and intensity can be seen. Click on the right side of a gateway device to access the gateway device control page. Here we can click on the right button to control the opening and closing of the gateways. Click on the middle section of the gateway page to view the parameter interface for the gateway device, including voltage, current, power, leakage current, electricity consumption. After setting up the gateway, we can easily control our smart appliances.